How to log out of Netflix on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log out of Netflix on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log out of the Netflix application on your iPhone, if you for some reason you open the Netflix application here and then you're basically just signed into your account, and what if you would like to log out? So here you select a certain account that you might be trying to log into, and once you log in you want to sign out. Well, it's very simple. You just tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Once you tap the profile icon here, you'll see all these options, or you can tap the three lines option from here. Go to the option called sign out at the bottom of the screen to sign out or log out of Netflix on your iPhone. This way you can log out Netflix on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.